In this lecture, we see the last 3 examples in the miscellaneous exercise of the differential equation. Okay. That is the examples based on the application of the differential equation. Okay. Now, the example number 8, the normals lines to given curve at each point x comma y on the curve passing through 2 comma 0 and the curve passes through 2 comma 3, then find the equation of curve. Okay. Now here it is a given that the normal to the curve passing through the 2 comma 0. Okay. Here we have to find the equation of curve. Here let y is equal to f of x be equation of curve and dy by dx is slope of tangent to curve at x comma y. Okay, and therefore minus dx by dy, see carefully this, dy by dx, it is a slope of the tangent, therefore minus dx by dy is slope of normal to curve at x comma y. Okay. Now here it is a slope of the normal minus dx by dy, and here it is a normal. Okay, here the normals lines to given curve at each point x comma y on the curve passing through 2 comma 0. Therefore first we find the equation of normal passing through 2 comma 0. Therefore equation of normal passing through 2 comma 0. Here see carefully, normal pass through 2 comma 0 and the slope of the normal, it is a minus dx by dy. Here normal is a straight line and the equation of line in a point slope form, it is a y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. Therefore y minus y1, equation of normal, y minus y1 it is a 0 is equal to slope, it is a dx by dy into x minus x1. Here it is x minus x1. Now it is the equation of normal and here it is a differential equation. Okay. Now here y minus 0, it is y minus dx by dy into this. Therefore this equation we can write in the form of y dy, this dy, it is y minus 0, it is y is equal to minus x minus 2 dx. See carefully, here this differential equation in the variable separable form. Now we solve this equation, therefore taking integral on both sides, so it is dy is equal to, here integral of minus x plus 2, it is minus with respect to x. Now take the integration, integral of y, it is y square by 2 is equal to minus x square by 2 plus 2x and it is a plus c. It is a general equation of, it is a general solution of this differential equation, and this differential equation, it is a solution, that means y is equal to f of x, it is the equation of curve. Now here we multiply throughout by 2, therefore we get y square is equal to minus x square plus 4x and plus 2c. Here we take this constant, it is a c1, and therefore x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to c. Here we take this x square, here x square plus y square, this 4x, you can write it as a minus 4x, and this 2c, again it is a constant, it is a 2c1 is equal to c. Now is general solution. Of differential equation. Now it is the equation of curve and it is given that curve passing through point 2 comma 3. Yeah, given that curve passing through two comma 3, that is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, and then find the particular solution, that is a 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 into 2 is equal to c, and therefore here it is a 2 square, it is a 4 plus 9 13 minus 8, okay, therefore c is equal to 5, 13 minus 8, and then the particular solution. It is x square plus y square minus 4x is equal to 5, and it is the equation of curve. Therefore we can write x square plus y square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0 is required equation of curve. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. See carefully. Here y is equal to f of x, it is equation of curve. Therefore minus dx by dy, it is a slope of the normal to the curve at any point x comma y. Okay, here now it is the equation of given curve, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Now we see the next example. Now example number 9, the volume of spherical balloon being inflated changes at constant rate. Changes at a constant rate. If initially its radius is 3 units and after 3 seconds it is a 6 unit. Find the radius. Find the radius of the balloon after t seconds. Here now Now here let r be the radius, let r units be radius and phi is volume of sphere. Here, now here the volume of spherical balloon being inflated changes at the constant rate. That means the volume of balloon is increases at a constant rate. Now here given that volume of balloon, okay, here, okay, the rate of change of volume of balloon increases at a constant rate, we say it is a k. K is a constant. dV by dt is equal to k. Here k is a constant. Okay. Now here it is a differential equation, so we can write it is a dV is equal to k into dt. Now separated, then integrate. Integration of dV is equal to k into integration of dt, and then phi is equal to kt plus c. Here it is a solution of this differential equation. Here the volume of a spherical balloon being inflated changes at the constant rate. Okay, that is volume of balloon is increases and the rate of change of increase is a constant. dV by dt is equal to k. Then we get it is a v is equal to kt plus c, and v is a volume of the sphere. Then r is a radius, therefore phi is a volume, therefore phi it is a volume, that is a 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to kt plus c. Now here it is our solution. Now there are the two cases. Initially its radius is a 3 unit initially, that means in the starting time is equal to 0, radius is equal to 3, and then after 3 seconds radius is a 6 unit, and then find the radius of the balloon after t seconds. Okay, last. Now first here t is equal to 0, radius is equal to 3. Now initially time is equal to 0, radius is equal to 3 units. Time is equal to 0, radius is equal to 3 units. Therefore it is a 4 by 3. See carefully. 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is a 3 square, sorry, it is a 3 cube. See carefully. R cube is equal to k into 0 and plus c. See carefully this. 4 by 3, when t is equal to 0, r is equal to 3. Here we can write only 3. 3 cube, it is a 3 cancel. That means it is here 3 square. 3 square it is a 9. 9 into 4, it is a 36 pi is equal to c. Therefore the value of c is given. C is equal to 36 pi. It is a value of c. Okay. Now the second condition, when t is equal to 3 seconds, the radius is equal to 6 unit. After 3 seconds radius is equal to 6 unit. Now therefore it is a 4 by 3 pi r, it is a 6 cube, is equal to k into 3 and plus c. C it is a 36 pi. Okay, see carefully this calculation. When t is equal to 0, r is equal to 3, then we get c is equal to 36 pi. Now when t is equal to 3, r is equal to 6. Okay. Then we take the calculation. Here it is a 6 cube. See carefully, it is a 6 cube. That means 36 into 6. See carefully, 36 into 6. Then 3 divided by this 6, that means 2. That means here 8 into 36. See carefully this calculation. 8 into 36 pi. Here 6 cube. That means 36 into 6. Then 3 divided by 6. That means here 2, and 2 into 4 it is 8. 8 into 36 pi. Then it is a 3k plus 36 pi. Okay. See carefully this calculation. Then divided by 3. Okay, when we divide by 3, here we get 8 into 12 pi when divided by 3 is equal to k plus 12 pi. See carefully this. Divided by 3. When here divided by 3, 8 into here 36 divided by 3, it is a 12. 3k divided by 3, it is a, and 36, it is pi. Then this k is equal to 8 into 12, 96 pi minus 12 pi. See carefully this. 96 pi and it is a 12 pi. We can write in the minus. Therefore, k equal to 96 minus, it is 84 pi. Okay, here it is a value of k, 84 pi, and now we want to find the radius at t. Now we want to find radius r when radius at t second. Okay, and therefore our equation, it is a 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to kt plus c. The value of k, it is 84 pi, value of c, it is a 36 pi. Therefore take the calculation. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to k 84 pi t as it is plus 36 pi. Pi and this pi get cancelled. Then we get 4 by 3 r cube is equal to 84 t plus 36. Okay, pi get cancelled. And now r cube, see carefully the calculation. R cube is equal to 3 by 4 84t plus 36 is equal to, see carefully the calculation here, 4 divided by 84, that means here it is at 21. Okay, 21, and here it is a 9. Okay, 21 9, that means 3 into 21t plus 9. Okay, here we only divide by 4. Okay, here it is a 21 and here it is a 9, and then multiply by 3, and therefore r cube is equal to 63t plus 27, and then r is equal to cube root of 63t plus 27 to the power 1 by 3, that means cube root. Here r cube is equal to this, therefore r is equal to 63t t plus 27 to the power 1 by 3. See carefully this, r cube, and it is r, and that means it is a radius at time t. 63t plus 27 to the power 1 by 3, that means radius is equal to cube root of 63t plus 27. It is a radius at time t. Okay, see carefully this. Here the given relation in a rate of change, it is rate of increases of volume is a constant. It is a given relation, and from this relation we solve this differential equation, and there are the two conditions for finding the value of c and k, and we want to find the radius at t second, and here it is a radius at t second. See carefully this. Now we see the last example. Now it is the last example. A person assets start reducing in such a way that the rate of reduction of assets is proportional to the square root of the assets. Okay, here a person's assets, that is it's a property bank balance here, is reducing. Okay, its bank balance, it is a reducing. Here the condition it is, if assets is a beginning, it is a 10 lakh, that means its bank balance it is a 10 lakhs in a starting, and after 2 years it becomes, it is a 10,000 only, that means it is a reducing. After 2 years it is 10,000, and we want to show that a person will be bankrupt, that means the bank balance it is a 0 after 2, and it is a 2 by 9 years. Okay, here 2 by 2 and 9 years, that means 2 into 9, it is 18 plus 2, that is a 20 by 9. 20 by 9, this 20 by 9 we can write in the form of this. We want to show that it is a 20 by 9 years. When we divide by 9, it is a 18, that means division 2, remainder, and it is a divisor. Okay, now here let we consider x is the assets of the person. Okay, and dx by dt is a rate of decreases. Okay, here it is a reduction, that means the rate of decreases. Let x rupees be asset of a person, and dx by dt is a rate of reduction at time t. Okay, now here the given condition, it is a rate of reduction is proportional to the square root of the assets. Rate of reduction of the assets is proportional to the square root of the asset. Here, therefore, given that it is dx by dt is proportional to the square root of this asset, and here it is a rate of decreases, so we can write here dx by dt is equal to minus k into under root x. Then we can write here it is a dx upon under root x is equal to minus k dt. Okay, now we solve this differential equation. Okay, taking integral on both sides. Here integral of dx upon under root x, we can write it is a x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx is equal to minus k into integral of dt. See carefully this. Here 1 by under root x, it is, we can write x to the power minus 1 by 2, and now integrate this. Then we get it is x to the power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 is equal to minus kt plus c, and therefore it is a 2 into under root x is equal to minus kt plus c. It is a solution of this differential equation. Okay, here it is a 2 into under root x, it is x to the power minus 1 by 2, integral of x to the power minus 1 by 2 by using the standard integral x to the power n, x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, that means it is x to the power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2, this 2 we can write here. Now initially when time is equal to 0, asset, its property it is a 10 lakh. Okay. Then 2 into under root of 10 lakh is equal to minus k into 0 plus c, and therefore c is equal to under root of 10 lakh, it is a 2 into 1000 is equal to c, and therefore c is equal to 2000. Here it is the value of c. Now it is initial condition, then after 2 years it becomes 10,000. When t is equal to 2 years, the asset it is a 10,000, and therefore 2 into under root of 10,000 is equal to minus k into t, it is a 2, and plus c, it is a this 2000. Then it is under root of 10,000, it is 100. So we can write it is a 200 is equal to minus 2k plus 2000. 2k here we can write 2k is equal to, it is a 18, and then k is equal to 900. See carefully this calculation. This 2k we can write in RHS, and this 200 we can write in the it is RHS. 2000 minus 200, it is 18. Therefore k is equal to 900. Now when the bank balance becomes 0, okay, we have to show that the bank balance, it is a 0 after 2 and 2 by 9 years. Okay. Therefore when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, our equation it is 2 into under root x is equal to minus kt plus c. Therefore 2 into under root 0 is equal to minus k t. Okay, we want to find this value of the t, and plus c, it is at 2000, and now it is a 0. Okay, see carefully. Therefore this 900t is equal to, and therefore t is equal to upon 900. That means 20 by 9, and 20 by 9 it is a 2 and 2 by 9. Okay, here 20 divided by 9 we can write in the form of this. That means after 2 and 2 by 9 years, the bank balance it is a 0. Okay, therefore it shows that after 2 and 2 by 9 years, okay, a person will be bankrupt. Here, see carefully this. It is a 20 by 9. We can write in the form of this 2 and 2 by 9. See carefully. It is an example of the decay.